Hi, Steve here, and welcome to 5-Minute English Exam Skills. Today I want to talk about word formation. You know the kind of task. You're given a text and there are gaps in it, and you're also given keywords. And for each gap, you have to form a word from the keyword to fit the gap. So how do we do word formation? The first thing is, of course, that we read the text for gist, because we have to understand what the text is about, don't we? But then, how do we do each gap? What's the first thing we need to think about? The first thing is parts of speech. In other words, nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs. Which of those do we need for each gap? Now, there are usually clues in a sentence which will tell you which you need. Let's think about adverbs. What are adverbs? We often use them to describe manner. In other words, how something is done. And we often use them to describe frequency. For example, how often something happens. But here's a tip about adverbs. The sentence often makes complete sense even if you take the adverb out. Look, here's an example. This is a word formation text all about garlic, an incredible vegetable. So of course the first thing we do is we read it all through for gist. And if you want to do that, then pause the video now to give you the chance to read it. I'm going to focus on the first sentence. An incredible vegetable. Garlic, a member of the Liliaceae family, which also includes onions, is blank used in cooking all around the world. Here's the tip. Try reading the sentence and forgetting that there's a gap in there at all. Does the sentence still make sense? Well, let's try it. Garlic, a member of the Liliaceae family, which also includes onions, is used in cooking all around the world. That sentence is perfectly fine. So if a sentence makes complete sense even when you ignore the gap, then maybe that's a clue that you need an adverb. Now in this case, the key word we've been given is common. How do you form the adverb from that? Well, we often form adverbs just by adding ly onto the end of a word. So from common, we get commonly. And so the answer is garlic, a member of the Liliaceae family, which also includes onions, is commonly used in cooking all around the world. So that's today's tip. If the sentence makes perfect sense, even if you ignore the gap, then maybe what you need is an adverb. Don't forget to subscribe for more top exam tips.